Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong review ng FBS Trading Broker. On this video discussion, malalaman mo yung mga importanteng detalye na magbibigay sa atin ng dagdag knowledge. Is it safe to trade with FBS dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Ano yung mga services na ino-offer nila with traders? The deposits and withdrawals na available and many more na pwede mong mapagkunan ng information about this trading broker. Kaya kung isa ka rin sa naghahanap ng review nito, tapusin mo lang panuorin ang video na to. And so, let's proceed. So, una sa lahat, ano po ba itong FBS? FBS is a licensed global broker operating in over 150 countries and holding over 90 prestigious awards. As to their claim, so multi-awarded po ang broker na to mga kaibigan. And makikita natin ang figures na to with the trust of over 27 million traders. Ganun po kadami. And 700,000 partners. FBS has established itself as a reliable financial service provider. So, as to track record of business operations, talagang hindi rin mabibehind ang trading broker na to. FBS offers over 550 trading instruments to trade like forex, metals, indices, and stocks. And again, since 2009 when FBS was founded, nakakuha ito ng over 90 international awards regarding with financial services. This time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin kung ano ang mga trading accounts na ino-offer ng FBS to their clients. This following accounts, mga kaibigan, is available po ito sa mga nakaraang taon, but as of this moment, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, parang may iilang option na lang ng pag-open ng trading account, which is ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya konti. So dito, una ang cent account, merong micro account, standard account, zero spread account, ECN account, and crypto account. Actually, merong ding Islamic account na available. Makikita natin ang details nito through their website. So, as of this year, pag tayo ay nag-open ng trading account with FBS, meron itong default na standard account na automatic ma-create as we register. So like dito sa aking trading account with FBS, merong real account na standard, meron ding demo account na standard, and kung gusto nating magdagdag ng iba pang account, so makikita natin dito na ang available option na pwede po nating pagpipilian is the standard and the cent account only. And so the question is, madali lang po ba magbukas ng trading account with FBS broker? Actually, sinubukan ko ito, mabilis at wala masyadong sinabi pa kuskus balungos as we register. Now, kung wala ka pang trading account with FBS and gusto mong subukan broker na to, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description